Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you to create a sticker on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and I'm also going to show you how to add a image to a photo, or edit a photo, or edit something into a photo that's not originally there. All right, so I'll be showing you to manually do it without using any form of AI or stuff like that. All right, so I'm going to look up a subject that can be used. I'm going to take a photo of something very simple. Here I have one of my plants. I already have that one done. So I'm going to use a secondary one. Now it's best to use one that's not conflicting with the background. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to come as close as possible to get a high quality photo. I'm going to snap a photo. All right, so the photo is added. So I'm going to go ahead. So this is mainly how to make a sticker. So here, I'm going to go here. I'm going to hit edit on this sticker. Once I hit edit, I'm going to need to remove the background to turn it into a sticker. So it's very easy. So I'm going to hit tools. I'm going to hit lasso and I'm going to hit snap to shape. It's best to use the S Pen. So it allows me to, oops, I made an error. Give me a second. I'm going to cancel. I'm going to use lasso, snap to shape. And you don't have to do it perfectly. Simply go as close as possible. That's the fun of snap to shape. There you go. I'm going to hit next. There, it's removing the background. You don't have to change the color of the background. It's done. We want a transparent background. So we're going to hit done. Later on, if you want, you can edit and revert the photo, but it doesn't really matter. We're going to hit save. All right. Now to add a sticker. Simple. We're going to hit edit. We're going to hit edit. We're going to go to smiley face. We're going to go to stickers. And here I already have a sticker. We're going to tap on the photo gallery. Then we're going to hit plus and we're going to choose this one as the sticker. And notice it's scanning it. And we're going to select the subject. We're going to hit reselect. And we're going to hit next. And there you go. Now it gives you some options here. You have cartoon, you have vintage, you have original, outline, and of course you have this one. I'm going to keep it to original. And you can choose accordingly. All right, so what we're going to do here, we're going to hit done. All right, now check this out, guys. We now have this cool sticker. And I'm going to go back here. I'm going to hit discard. Now I'm going to use a photo that I already have. All right, so I'm going to choose any of these. So here we have a photo. And we're going to add in these stickers. So this is how to use the stickers. Go to here. Smiley face, go to stickers, and this is the stickers we added earlier. So I'm going to add this one. This is the fun thing with stickers, guys, without the background, is that you can edit. So you can edit a photo, and once you edit the photo, you can add a sticker to overlay what's there, or you can add it as an addition in the photo. The choice is yours, and you have other stickers as well. So here's a small plant. And you can add as much as these as possible. So if you want, you can go back here. You can add additional stickers. And there you go. So there you go. Once you're finished, you can hit save. And there we have a cool photo and I overlaid stuff into it. So this has been a tutorial how to edit how to create a sticker and also how to edit your photos to add edited stickers with the backgrounds removed. Hope that was useful and see you in the next one. Bye.